Hello, it's another great day at Stapp Interstate Toyota. I'm Mike Schultz, Fixed Operations Director, welcoming you to the month of May. The snow is on the mountains, the precipitation has created green grass, and we have a showstopper for you. Matter of fact, it's just a stopper. We have a great brake special for the month of May, and it ends May 31st. That is, purchase TCMC Brake Pads and a Rotor Turn for the month of May and pay only $199 per axle. That is a substantial savings off regular price. And it gets better. Apply on an applicable TCMC brake pads and get a $25 Visa gift card. Again, this special ends May 31st, so make your appointment now for genuine TCMC brake pads installed with Rotor Turn, $199 per axle, and apply to receive a Visa gift card in the amount of $25 for applicable TCMC brake pads. We look forward to seeing you at Stapp Interstate Toyota. Thank you.